This protocol allows the evaluation of cell-to-cell interactions between diverse cell types within a tissue and ex vivo molecular and pharmacological manipulations that would be less feasible in vivo.
The main advantage of this technique is the extended period of time these tissue sections can be maintained in culture, allowing their evaluation at later time points.
This technique will allow a more rapid screening of therapeutic compounds to correct salivary gland damage and will likely reduce the number of mice used for these studies. We plan to use this technique to understand the salivary gland response to radiotherapy at intermediate time points and to turn genes on and off at specific intervals.
The most difficult aspect of this procedure is the tissue sectioning and preventing the loss of tissue sections during the culture and staining steps.
Before beginning the procedure, disinfect the detachable Vibratome components with 70% ethanol, followed by UV sterilization for at least 30 minutes. Secure an additional sheet of laboratory film over the buffer tray to prevent ice from falling in, and fill the ice chamber with crushed ice. Remove the laboratory film from the buffer tray, and fill the buffer tray with 100 milliliters of ice-cold PBS, supplemented with 1% penicillin streptomycin ampicillin, or PSA. Then place a stainless steel razor blade into the blade holder and use a screwdriver to facilitate adjustment of the angle of the blade. After isolating the salivary glands, place the harvested tissue into a sterile